Hello people, welcome back. I just turned my white rice into this food you are seeing. This one pot meal. I added some butter, I added some olive oil, and now I will be dicing in my onion. So guys, this recipe is a remainder of my white rice. So I just transform it to another one meal, one bowl, one pot meal. Keep watching guys. So now I'll add in my carrot, and after my carrot I'll add in my spring onion. I'll add in my beans, and I'll add in my cabbage. All my returning subscribers, thank you for being here. I'll see your comment, your like, your share. May the good Lord bless you. Keep tuning in, keep supporting, keep liking. Mega shout out to all of you. So I added in my spices: garlic, ginger powder, onion powder, black pepper, white pepper, soy sauce, powdered maggi. I added all my spices: turmeric, ginger, cumcumer, paprika. I added curry. So guys, and now I will mix it together properly. If you are new to the channel and this is the kind of video or channel that you want, follow me for more amazing video, health recipe, cooking videos. Feel free to check my channel out for other amazing videos that you might find helpful. When you need health recipes, family lifestyles, cooking videos, I have different types of these videos. So now I added in my gadget, and I will give it another quick stir. Guys, this recipe came out even more delicious than I expected. Don't throw away your remaining rice. Use it and turn it to something else. No more waste, guys. No more waste. This recipe came out so yummy, so nice, so delicious. And I was having all the ingredients at home, so I just decided to turn my white rice into this one meal, one pot recipe, or one meal, one pot meal. It's a bomb, guys. So I'll just cover and allow it to steam for on a low heat for like 10 minutes. So this is it after 10 minutes. I'll add in my deboned turkey that I was having. So I'll give it a quick stir. Be free, guys. Try it and you will thank me later. So I'll cover it and allow it to simmer for a while. So this is it, ready to be enjoyed. I served myself because who work go eat. So after cooking is eating. I served myself and I enjoyed this meal. Thank you for coming and thank you for tuning in. Bye. See you in my next one.